Good morning. Today is day 2, May 28th, 2021 of Dear Julie and Kara Brandon's 7 days of summer collaboration, and it's a digital collaboration. I'm sorry I don't have the paper to show you of today's collaboration, but the digital kits are both on Etsy, and the links are below. And if you go to any of the other gals' sites, you'll probably see the digitals, and I think most after a while you see them so often you'll know what digitals we're working with. This paper is actually from Dear Julie's extras, and these are some of little digitals that I've added to it. This is from Kara Brandon's kit, and I added this to the page and just did some stickles to it, and then we'll get into what I actually did with their kits. This is from Kara Brandon's, Dear Julie's, and this is from the kit as well. This is from Dear Julie's. I just used it as a journaling spot on the back of this one, and made an index card that slides in and can be used for journaling. And then the back here is where all the action is. We've got the Zest of Life card hidden. I did this as a belly band, but I did it divided, so I put glue across the middle of it so that I'd have two smaller pockets rather than one big one. This is from Kara Brandon's today's on her Facebook group. She's got a free, every Friday she gives away a free Friday freebie, and this is part of the Friday freebie. And so if you go to her join her Facebook group, you can get access to all her Friday freebies. And this is I just did a guest check there and added some digitals from some different lemon digitals that I had. And this opens up, and I've got the word strawberry across there, and this is a little pocket, and this is another one of my secret, this probably won't all be in frame, but it's a huge journaling spot that can be put in there, and where you can journal, and it's totally secret. Nobody knows it's there but us. And so some more from the kits. So that's the end of that page. And then I did Kara Brandon's again, just as a page. And on the inside of this one, I've got some more of the free digital from Kara Brandon. That little card, or note space, another note space from Dear Julie. Took some of the cardstock version of this same paper, made it into a little tuck spot, did the paper, did a stack of note here of some of the different papers, and that just goes in here. I like that lemonade, taste of summer, freshly squeezed. I used to, when I was a kid, you don't see it very much anymore, but I used to drink Swipe's bitter lemon all the time. Okay, so this just tucks in here. It looks like a pocket, but it's actually a tucked down journaling spot. You could use it as a pocket as well. And then on the back, I've got some of the words and this digital that I absolutely love of this little girl making her strawberry pie and or cake or something. Probably rolling out pie dough, I would think. Anyway, that is the end of what I have made for today, and I've got to get busy and finish, and I will be uploading later today the May 2021 make a kit, make a journal challenge video. I've already tried to record that once and it only recorded half of it. For some reason, both of my cameras have decided that they're going to zoom in on everything, and no matter how much I try and change the settings, they're not working. So I'm not quite sure why that's happening, but I will keep working on it and try and figure it out. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and I really encourage you to check out all the fabulous things that the girls are doing. I haven't had a chance to look at them myself. We've had some personal issues that we're dealing with, so I'm just trying to stay away from YouTube right now and get my stuff done. And anyhow, so excuse all my ums and ahs, and I hope you will stop by for the rest of the week and see what we are up to. And thank you to all my subscribers and my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. I really appreciate your support, especially when you have to listen to my ramblings. And so I'm just glad you're here, and I hope you were playing along with us. It's a lot of fun playing with these digitals. They're absolutely fabulous, and I look forward to working with them again in the future, because these are so pretty. And anyway, thank you for stopping by. Bye now.